Ever wondered how those elegant glass bottles holding your favorite perfume are made? It's a process that turns simple materials like sand into something truly luxurious. Behind every beautiful bottle lies a fascinating blend of science, art, and precision. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind how these stunning perfume bottles are crafted from start to finish. From molten sand to perfectly shaped glass, let's explore this mesmerizing journey step by step. It all starts with a seemingly simple ingredient, sand. But not just any sand. This is high-quality silica sand, known for its purity. To form glass, the sand is mixed with two other essential ingredients, soda ash and limestone. Soda ash helps lower the melting point of the sand, making the process more efficient, while limestone adds durability and strength to the final product. Each of these materials is carefully weighed and measured, as even a small imbalance can affect the quality of the glass. Precision at this stage is critical to ensure the resulting glass is not only crystal clear, but also strong and resistant to damage, which is vital for perfume bottles that must be both beautiful and durable. Once the raw materials, sand, soda ash, and limestone, are mixed, they're transferred into massive furnaces for the melting process. These furnaces reach temperatures over 1,700 degrees Celsius, hot enough to break down the materials and turn them into molten glass. At these extreme temperatures, the materials blend together, creating a thick, glowing liquid that is the core of glassmaking. But the key to getting the perfect glass lies in precise temperature control. The heat must be maintained at just the right level to ensure the molten glass has the correct consistency. Too hot, and it becomes too fluid to shape. Too cool, and it hardens too quickly. This delicate balance is essential to achieving the flawless clarity and strength needed for perfume bottles. Once the molten glass reaches the perfect consistency, it's time to shape it. The glass is poured into precision-engineered molds that give each perfume bottle its unique design. Automated machines handle this step with incredible accuracy, ensuring that the glass flows smoothly into every part of the mold, creating the bottle's basic shape. But making a bottle is more than just pouring glass. The next step involves a process called glass blowing, where air is blown into the mold to create the hollow center of the bottle. This technique ensures that the bottle is perfectly symmetrical, with walls of uniform thickness. Each bottle is carefully shaped to be not only functional but also visually stunning, a perfect vessel for luxury perfumes. Once the bottles are shaped, they can't just cool down on their own. They need to go through a special process called annealing. This is a slow, controlled cooling that makes sure the glass cools evenly. If the bottles cool too quickly, they might crack or weaken. Annealing prevents that from happening by allowing the glass to become stronger and more durable. This step is really important because it makes the bottles more resistant to pressure, temperature changes, and everyday handling, ensuring they're both beautiful and sturdy. Once the bottles are cooled and strong, it's time to add those beautiful details that make them stand out. Some bottles are customized with intricate designs, using special techniques to add patterns or textures. They might even use colored glass or metallic accents to give the bottles a unique, luxurious look. After that, each bottle goes through a polishing process, where it's smoothed out to give it a flawless, shiny finish. But before they're ready to be filled with perfume, every single bottle is carefully inspected. The quality check ensures there are no scratches, cracks, or flaws, making sure only the best bottles make it to the next stage. After the bottles pass the final quality check, they're carefully packed to protect them during transport. Each bottle is handled with care, ensuring they stay flawless as they're prepared to be filled with perfume. From there, the bottles are shipped to luxury stores and perfume manufacturers around the world, where they'll soon hold the fragrances we love. In summary, the journey from raw materials to the perfect glass bottle is a beautiful blend of art and precision. Every step in the process, from melting the sand to crafting intricate designs, showcases the incredible craftsmanship involved. So, the next time you reach for your favorite perfume, take a moment to appreciate the hard work that went into creating that stunning bottle. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights into how your favorite products are made.